So hi friends, I will be your maths faculty. So let us start, or let us begin with matrix chapter, matrices chapter. Now let us begin with definition of matrix. Now what is the definition of matrix? Matrix, it is just a systematic arrangement of data or information. So in a matrix, what all things are stored? It contains systematically information, or whatever data we have is stored, okay, or is written. Now for example, say let us consider an example. Let us consider a cricket series between India and England. Okay, India and England. Let us consider a series between India and England. Now say for example, my favorite player is my favorite player is Virat Kohli. Now Virat Kohli, in 3 matches he scored. In first match he scored 37 runs. In second match he scored a century. In third match he scored a 50. Let us say 85 runs. Okay. So this is a matrix. So how do we represent a matrix? With a capital letter, and the information is stored between 2 square brackets, right? This and this, right? So these are 2 square brackets. So between 2 square brackets, information is stored. So this matrix has one row, right? This horizontal line is called as a row, and this vertical lines, these are called as columns, right? So it has 1, 2, 3 columns and one row. So row consists of information, or this matrix consists of information of one player. Okay, say for example Virat Kohli. Okay, now let us consider one more player. Say for example Rohit Sharma. Now Rohit Sharma scored. Now before going to Rohit Sharma, let us write the information of first player here. Now again Rohit Sharma scored, say for example 30 or 86 runs in first match, and a century, huge score, 175 runs in second match, and say 38 runs in third match. Okay. So this matrix consists of 2 rows. This is R1 and this is R2, and it contains 3 columns, C1, C2 and C3. Okay. So this matrix A, right? Matrix is represented with capital letter and between square brackets. So this matrix A consists of information of 2 different players in 3 different matches, right? 2 different players and 3 different matches. Information of 2 different players in 3 different matches. Now a matrix can have, or matrix can contain, any number of rows and any number of columns. Like for example, here we have only 2 rows and how many columns? 3 columns, right? So a matrix is represented by, say for example, A is equal to, now this was with capital letter and between 2 square brackets. It is also represented by A is equal to Aij, right? A is equal to Aij into M by N, right? Where this Aij is, Ij means ith row and jth column. Okay. So this matrix is also represented by A is equal to Aij, where Ij means ith row and jth column, and M by N means the order of the matrix. Now what does this order mean? Order gives us first of all, what are things the order gives us? Order gives us first of all the number of elements in the matrix, in a matrix. Okay, first information it gives is number of elements in a matrix, and second information it gives is how many rows and columns are present in a matrix, where m is equal to number of rows and n is equal to number of columns. Okay, so m is equal to number of rows and n is equal to number of columns. So m by n means, let us consider this matrix, it has 2 rows, so 2 into how many columns? 2 and 1 2 3 columns. Okay, so this is called as 2 by 3 and not 2 into 3, this is called as 2 by 3, right? So 2 by 3 means it has 2 rows and 3 columns, and where 2 by 3 is equal to 6. How many elements it has? 6 elements, 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So first it gave the information of number of rows and number of columns in a matrix, and second it gives number of elements in a matrix. Okay,